Hak election sitang samai, hak resort kabla nyaw menta kasi ka atarik unayong arajar arhuway. Kaseng National People's Party kabelam ya keding sensyar kala job apo Raja Bala konsensi hak ba ukotong ja kaseng u Abdul Saleh ula penram ya kinang lek persya kantup ya ka kandidat ja kaseng Kongres kandidat ja kaseng UDP bat ki kui dia ki kotong simat. Hakan dikasi ba pemna ya ka result lagi ba menteri rang ba jong ke jela u bolong National President jong kaseng National People's Party ko nak sama ula don lang hakatei kasni menyebut masanan lang ya ukotong ja kaseng NPP.
If you look at the past history of Rajabala, since the NCP time, we have never won this seat. In the 2013 election, NPP got a mere 450 votes. In 2018, we got 4,800 votes. And this time, we had crossed 11,000 votes. So I don't term it as a close contest at all. It's a very, very, I should say, great response from the people. It shows the support and the pro-development work that this government is doing, and therefore it's a clear mandate for the government. If you look at all the three seats and the results, in all the three seats, the MDA candidates have won. So it's a clear indication towards the work that the MDA government has been doing. But as you can see in this election, both the Hill and the Plain votes, we have been able to garner sufficient votes from both Hill as well as the Plain.
So, and the last question to the candidates, to the possible candidates, you got 1.5 years or so of tenure. What can you do for Rajabala? What are the people expecting? I mean, what is your views when it comes to development?
I will work for the Rajabala peoples. After 1.5 years only, you can ask me what I have done. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.